In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text from a video in CapCut on your PC using the latest update. Whether it's a text layer you've added within CapCut or text that's burned into the video, follow along, and we'll explore both scenarios to get your video looking just the way you want. First, let's jump right into CapCut and initiate a new project. You'll find this option on the main screen after opening the software, and it's your launching pad to start editing your video files. Once your new project is set up, you'll need to import the video that contains the text you wish to remove. Simply drag the video file from your computer into the CapCut interface, and you'll see it appear in the Project Media section. Drag that video down into your timeline to start editing. Now, let's address the first scenario. If the text in your video is an editable layer that's been added inside CapCut. Maybe you or someone else added a title or caption, and now it's not needed. To remove it, all you have to do is locate the text layer in the timeline. It should be visually distinguishable from your main video track. Once you've found it, click on the text layer to select it. With the text layer selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard, or click the trash icon in CapCut. This action will remove the text from your video without any hassle. However, if your video has text that's embedded or burned in, this requires a different approach since it's part of the video file itself. One option to eliminate or minimize the presence of this text is the crop tool. By cropping, you'll cut out the section of the frame where the text appears. While this could adjust the video's dimensions a bit, it effectively removes the unwanted text. If cropping is too drastic or not suitable for your project, an alternative method is to add an overlay, sticker, or blur effect over the area where the text appears. CapCut offers an array of overlays and stickers, which you can find in the resources library. By placing one of these over the text area, you can conceal it and maintain the original frame size of your video. If you choose to use a blur effect, it will obscure the text while retaining the overall aesthetic of the video. Make sure you adjust the overlay, sticker, or blur to suit your video's style. After you've finished editing and the video looks just right, it's time to save your work. Click the Export button, typically found in the upper right corner of the program. Here, you'll be able to select your desired resolution and format for the final video output. Once your preferences are set, click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully removed unwanted text from your video using CapCut on your PC.